Dirty spicy.
You said dirty spicy?
Spicy. Dirty spicy. That's also like something Beanie would like, not me.
I'm trying to be calm, but
What's up, guys? Daily gift.
Dale.
Well, we're back with another video. I have 3 games running. They're all making me equal profit. Cause equal profit. Hello? What? How much money do you make me? Like 700? Oh my god, you're poor? I'm poor? I'm poor? There we go. What? Um, um, uh, some multiplayer help anyone? They like multiplayer. What if I get rid of sandbox completely? What about extended storyline? Well, people like what I do, apparently. So I'm gonna keep on doing what I do. I do what I do to make my money go up. All that stuff and barely gone up, really. What if we release a new version, like this? If I get early access to the game, that's gonna be like.
Spicy, you want a regular one?
Yes.
They have mild and original. Mild, maybe?
Original. Yeah. If I get like early access to the game.
Chips? You said beef jerky. What else?
Hot Takis.
Takis and what?
Coke.
Coke?
Yeah, Coke. Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Ignore what I say. I'll be back when I have enough money to afford.
I mean, not that you force it, but
Ooh, I can already afford it.
like you said, it's not
Wait, guys. Let me move over here, and then I'll be back when I set up all the new desks. And 3, 2, 1. And guys, we're back. We just
I hope you're not recording right now.
I'll be right back.
Talking
You won't believe how hard it is to run a game. Oh no. You won't believe how hard it is to run a game. These people, I'm going bankrupt. I'm literally going bankrupt. I just installed a web page. What are you doing? I'm straight up going bankrupt. I literally just did this 5 seconds ago. Is this not thing working? Why am I going bankrupt? Why are these people taking my money without having permission? Everyone get to work. If you ask for a promotion, you have to hit yes. In the game. How the world works, I guess. It's how the world works. I have 2 games. Okay, if you can't upgrade one game, you must upgrade the other. You always have to be doing something. If you're not doing something, then you're losing money. That's how the game works. Yes. Oh my god, ever since we deleted that other game, like, money has just been coming in. I mean, look at that marketing value. Project was late, but still. Oh, that was great. Let's do another update. Let's make another update come out. Everyone get to work. If they ask for a raise, you gotta give them a raise, see? Give them a raise, even though I should give them another raise. Okay, that was $82 raise. I think that was a little bit much for a raise, but you know. Click. Any games that use this system? Yes, you. That only increases income, I'll take it. This. Plop you on, and I think I might take the 128. I'll pay you $1,000. She's taking up all the money by herself. No joke. She's literally taking up all the money by herself. Look, I'm making $2,000, $200 off this game. $200 off this game. My employees are taking basically all the money off of me. That's like, I'm making like $2,000. Wait, do my employees count in a minus? So, okay, no way. I'm only paying my employees less than $2,000. That'd be absurd. Simply insane. Like and subscribe for better better content than this. Maybe at Christmas I might have a PC. Take the raise, take my money. Oh, hey. How much money am I giving this man? Every single I have. Hold up. What do you guys want? A bar? Take it. I don't. Pull? It costs diamonds. Must be worth something. I mean, what do you guys do? What do I want that I don't have? This. What do y'all coffee? What do y'all have? What I don't have? I have quite literally everything, but the things. It didn't quite work, I don't think. Well, it doesn't work, so that's good. Well, guys, I'm gonna see you back when I am too rich to live. Yeah.